Understanding jet-lagged for days. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unpacking a phrase that you've probably heard if you've traveled across time zones: jet-lagged for days. Let's explore what it means, why it happens, and how it affects our bodies and routines. Stay tuned to learn all about this common travel phenomenon. Jet-lagged for days refers to the prolonged feeling of tiredness and disorientation experienced after a long flight across several time zones. It's not just feeling tired right after you land. It's a state that can affect you for several days, impacting your sleep patterns, mood, and overall energy levels. The key aspect here is the duration, for days, indicating that the effects of jet lag can linger for an extended period, not just a few hours after your flight. Jet lag occurs because our internal body clock, or circadian rhythm, is out of sync with the local time at our destination. Our bodies are tuned to a 24-hour cycle, influenced by daylight, mealtimes, and other daily routines. When we travel across time zones, it takes some time for our body to adjust to the new day-night cycle, leading to the symptoms of jet lag. This discrepancy between our internal clock and the external environment is why we feel jet-lagged. Being jet-lagged for days can manifest in various ways, including difficulty sleeping or excessive sleepiness at inappropriate times, daytime fatigue, difficulty concentrating or functioning at your usual level, stomach problems, changes in appetite, or mood swings. Understanding these symptoms can help travelers prepare and mitigate the effects of jet lag on their trips. While it might be challenging to avoid jet lag entirely, there are strategies to lessen its impact. Adjust your schedule before you travel to gradually align with the time zone of your destination. Stay hydrated during and after your flight. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can disrupt your sleep patterns. Try to adapt to the local schedule as soon as possible upon arrival. Expose yourself to natural daylight to help reset your internal clock. These tips can help reduce the duration and severity of being jet-lagged for days. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be jet-lagged for days, and how you can tackle it on your travels. Remember, while jet lag is a temporary inconvenience, being prepared can make your recovery quicker and smoother. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language learning content. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.